When it comes to the second reading, third reading, that will be more applicable for your standard books. See, what is the layer of your preparation? Base is your NCERT. That is the base. Don't ignore it. Please don't say that I am an art student, I've taken humanities, I'll leave on NCERTs, I'll directly pick on the standard books. No. You can see for yourself, 2018, we had a question in GS1 that was directly drawn from 11th standard NCERT history. The particular chapter topic was picked up. So the themes UPSC is concerned about of NCERT, do read it. Second thing of your preparation is standard books. Standard books, yes. Every standard book. The The third part of your preparation is your reference books. So you don't need reference books for every subject. But say for example, if you feel that I need to read a bit deeper for polity, so I may take up D.D. Basu as a reference. My standard book will be Lakshmikant, like that. So for notes, that is all. First reading, thoda, you can sort of keep it aside. Maybe in a week, maybe in 10 days when you revisit the topic and you somehow forget a couple of concepts, then you can sort of just write it down in your copy that, this is something which is important, right?
If I have to add on to that, if so many people will have this doubt, so should I make notes now when you are reading this? So what you can also do is keep 4 books each for GS 1, 2, 3, 4. So whatever you read, if you feel like this is worth making note of, so then you note down in that particular book. So here it will not be organized, because today you will be reading some topic, again after 10 days you will be reading the same topic again. So in this page you would have made notes, after 10 page again you will make the same notes. So here it will not be organized, but your doubt of whether I should make this now or not, or will I miss this information if I miss it today. So this will be solved. So this is what I would advise. If you have this kind of doubt, take 4 books. So if you feel like this is a point worth noting down in GS2, note it down in GS2 paper. So now if it is GS4, if you see some example of something, maybe in social media, everybody is active in social media, you will be coming up across so many stories of different ethical values in social media.
Yes.
Note it down in your GS4, this one. So you can use it. It's very, it will be very new example which other aspirants will not use. So they will use example of maybe Mahatma Gandhi ji or some other great leaders which everybody will know of. So you will use some new, this one which you would have picked up from the common man, which is from the society. So
That's where with the what we were telling you is create your own data bank. Yes, it's your own personalized set of personalized set of revision notes you can just go back to again and again.